Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin continues to be caught in this correction. I explained to you yesterday and also earlier today, I think, that I assume that this correction will take a little while. It's not going to be finished in a day. Could take all week, maybe even a little bit longer. That's very hard to say because we don't know yet if this move that is currently, or this structure, this roadmap that you can currently see on the chart, if this is going to be all of wave 4 or just a larger A wave of an even larger ABC structure. Yeah? So what I'd like to see is, first of all, here A, B, C in wave 4. Yeah, this needs to be completed at some point. And then once we have this 3-wave move in place, we're going to watch for a few clues to figure out, okay, is this likely all of wave 4 or just the A wave? For that, it's too early though at this stage. For now, we're just focusing on the current corrective structure that we see in front of us. Wave 3 likely topped here on the 8th of December. We had an initial corrective move down. We can debate if the A wave is here or the A wave is here. Does it matter? Not really. I've added an even smaller degree micro count to the chart. That's how I see it could potentially happen. Then in that case, we had 5 waves down in wave A. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let me just show you. Basically, wave 1 is a leading diagonal. Yeah, wave 2, wave 3, strong 4 though, and a wave 5. And then we have 5 waves down in A. That means the B wave might not be that aggressive. But again, I could also place the A wave here and I have a 3-wave move, and then this is some kind of a flat. So yeah, don't put too much emphasis on that. So 5 waves down in A, then this could be an ABC structure that's unfolding. Resistance is at $43,720. So unless the price can really sustain above that level, I assume downside pressure remains high. And I'm primarily watching for further declines, possibly into that yellow support region for all of wave 4, between $34,070 and $39,260. This would be the ideal support range for all of wave 4. But we need to see a little bit more data, price data, to be able to calculate a target more precisely for wave C. At the moment, downside pressure is high, local downtrend still the primary scenario. Above 43,721, I would change my view, start to change my view. Yeah, will depend on a few more things, because then it could indicate that all of wave 4 is already complete. That's not what I'm primarily watching for right now. I would rather see, ideally, a more pronounced B wave. I would like to see a more healthy B wave. That could be either a move up now into resistance, then a rejection and a move down, or we could see this B wave as a triangle. I mean, that's possible. See, the market seems quite weak, but really it hasn't moved much. So it is possible that this is forming some kind of a, well, triangle. There are many options, honestly, to try to figure out all the different micro counts and possibilities here. That doesn't make any sense. It's a bit of a waste of time, because what really matters is to understand, okay, where's resistance, where's support. They are the tradable levels. Don't trade the count, trade the levels that the wave counts reveal. And I think support is very clear. We have to give it still quite a bit of space. Technically, Bitcoin could from here still drop another 16 to 17%, and I wouldn't change my thesis, wouldn't change my primary scenario. And yes, a break above resistance is always possible, but I need to see it from here first to believe that the correction is already over. Primarily, this outlined roadmap would be the ideal pathway. Yeah? So again, cannot rule out that the A wave extends a little bit further. That's also possible. But essentially, what we're watching for is a bullish scenario. I have no clear overall bullish scenario, so this is just a pullback in an overall uptrend. The structure that we see here currently looks corrective. It doesn't look impulsive to the downside, okay? It looks corrective for now. So we are going to observe that very closely, and we just need to change the scenario on the chart with a break below $34,070. What would be the alternative wave count? Well, we kind of talked about that already. It would be the assumption that this move to the upside, is actually a corrective pattern, and we're getting a B wave pullback. But I discussed that in much more detail in the previous video, and will do so in the videos in which I also cover the daily time frame. But that would allow for a deeper pullback. Yeah, it wouldn't necessarily send us to new bear market lows, but it would be a deeper pullback, and unfortunately would then make the entire chart a little less clear, because a B wave pullback can open the doors to a lot of different structures. But for now, we're focusing further on upside more directly into the region around $50,000 plus. Short term, however, I think this correction can still take a little while. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.